Alright YouTube, we are here to replace the water pump and thermostat on 2015 Mercedes Benz s550. So to make the story short, the procedure is about 2 hours. So we replace the thermostat, housing assembly, we replace the water pump. The tricky point is there is two small lines coming from the turbo, upper turbo line, coolant turbo line, and lower turbo line, and the recovery tank line goes to the timing case. These are all needs to be replaced along with the water pump. If you don't, you're gonna have a problem with it. So here's I already changed the belt because it has got a crack. Here's the old water pump. These are all the hoses. Look at that. When you take them off, it has got the wear and tear on it, and it has got the rusty and all this, corrosions build up and everything. It's better to replace them, all of them. And I didn't find anywhere else but the dealer. So the parts number are there on the old part. That's the, original Mercedes part number. But what I'm saying is all the hoses, see, you're gonna see, goes all around the water pump, needs to be replaced. Other than that, if you don't do that, you're gonna have some problem and leaking in the future, because again, these are kind of like plastic hose, and the corrosion is all around it, and it's better to replace it. Highly recommended. The process is just like regular job, like water pump replacement. Along with those small hoses goes to the next to the turbo. It's kind of like tough job a little bit to take them off, because it gives you like very tight space. That's V8, and we're already about to finishing the job. I'm just waiting for the thermostat. The thermostat needs to be replaced as well. We put back all the hoses and everything along with the belt, and we should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Again, thermostat and water pump replacement for 2015 Mercedes Benz S550. Shoot me a text message or let me know if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching.